Randy? You up here, buddy? Oh. Randy? Randy, what are you doing up here? Who did this to you, buddy? You just don't get a lot of respect as a rubber chicken around here, let me tell you. Folks, I am not the cleanest person in the world. I have this really great habit of working until the middle of the night and then just leaving. Okay, so here begins the trail of mayhem. The sad part is, don't trip over that. The sad part is that Matt doesn't work until Saturday, so I can't have him clean it up. Look at this mess. What in the world? What was going on? Oh, that's what was happening. Actually, that's only one of the things that was happening. Of 1 to 10, how excited are you to have these out of your warehouse?
No, they weren't in the way.
They weren't?
No.
So they're over in Aaron's area.
They're in my area.
Are you excited to have them gone, Aaron?
I was excited when he was done cleaning them.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie about that.
Yeah, he was a special color of gray after that.
It was a special color of everything in here after that.
I think part of the problem was I wasn't here for any of it, and so it just happened, and it was messy. I would have shut it down if I had been here.
I was like, seriously? You need like a mask on. He's like, nah.
Okay, so this is the first one that we did. It's still a little bit wet down in the crevice there, but I'm an impatient redneck, and I'm gonna paint it anyway. This is the black paint. It seems to be working pretty good. We'll see how tough it is. It was recommended to me by a friend for just really tough applications. So wheels, tie bars, any kind of external frame type things on vehicles, it works really good for. The wheels are done. They are way shinier than I had hoped. But, oh well, they're going on anyway. Just let them sit over the weekend and then put them on the truck on Monday. Now I better start cleaning up this mess. And we're back doing super last minute install on the service truck. In addition to putting the wheels on that we just painted, we'll also be installing this Rough Country leveling kit. Dodge likes to, for some reason, point the nose of their trucks at the ground, and I think that's dumb. Here we go. Got our top of the line Rough Country shocks, plastic, high quality plastic, spacers there. Also, since I couldn't get anyone else to help me, Randy the Rooster will be assisting with this install. this will replace that stud ring right there. And basically just goes in like that, with this down the middle. Same exact assembly, but 2.5 inches higher. Okay, you guys, so we threw those wheels on there the other night. Honestly, they look pretty sweet. They were super shiny when we finished them, and they're not shiny anymore because I got them dirty. So they look pretty good with dirt on them. So I kept those weird lug nuts on there because I liked that, but I think they're the wrong kind, so I don't think they're going to stay on there. They're shaped wrong, so I keep having to tighten them up, which is not good for your studs. So anyway, there it is. So you can see the leveling kit on there, lifted it up so that it's level before the front was kind of pointed down. One problem that did come up was the four-wheel drive stopped working. I think what happened is that I had to put a lot of like kind of wrenching torque on all these pieces here in order to fit that block in there. And I think I strained a vacuum line in there because the light's not coming on. And I think if the light's not coming on, that vacuum actuator is not working. So I got stuck the other day and had to get pulled out. That's all I got, you guys. If you liked watching stuff done on the truck, make sure you subscribe and check out our next few videos because we're going to be doing things like onboard air. There's a couple repairs that need to be done, and the four-wheel drive will need to get fixed, and there's lots of other stuff that will be truck related in the future. So make sure you subscribe and check out our next videos. Until then.